Okay, so guys, quickly in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to $1,500 from the Forex market without you investing a dime. Yes, you heard me right. You don't even need to invest anything for you to make money using the method I'm going to be showing you in the process of this video. So make sure you watch this video right from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any part of this video, okay? Now, let's get into the video proper. Let me show you how you're going to be making this money in the Forex market. Now, if this is your first time of coming across my videos or my channel, my name is Tomson and I make videos on how to make money online, okay? Make sure you subscribe to this channel and please remember to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Now, let's get into the video proper. Let me show you through. Okay, so guys, here is the website that we're going to be using to make money through Forex trading, okay? Now, this process is called FS competition, okay? Provided you have knowledge, little knowledge of how to trade, then you'll be able to make money from this process. Even if you don't have knowledge on how to trade, if you can get an expert advisor, okay, EA, okay, you can also use that to make money from this process, okay? So the website we're going to be using, the name is called XM, okay? XM is an international broker. In short, Wikiforex places XM as the third most trusted forex broker in the whole wide world. Okay, I've gone through that. I think I made a video recently and I actually show people how XM is the third most trusted brokers. Okay, so that goes to tell you that if you make money on this website, you're going to be getting paid. Okay, now if you check here, you can see say win your share of our 150,000 monthly prize pool. Okay, so what they do is this: every month they give out $150,000 to people that come to participate in their competition. Okay, now this $150,000, what they do is this: they share it into four. Okay, four, sometimes four or sometimes five, respectively, depending on how many weeks we have in a month. Okay, so every week there used to be competition. Okay, and people that come stop in that competition will share the prize money that is attached to the competition. Now, we have two different kinds of competition on XM. Okay, now we have the real account competition. I also have the demo account competition. All that I'm going to be showing you in the process of the video. So just make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. Okay, so here you can see real account competition and you can see the demo account competition. Now, this thing is risk-free. Okay, now if you have an account with XM already, a real account that you've deposited at least $100 into the real account, you can participate in this competition. Now, if you don't have any money to invest, no problem. You can just go for the demo account competition and you also have the opportunity of making money through it, okay? So I'm going to be dropping the link to XM broker in the description of this video, okay? So all you just need to do is just to go ahead and sign. The sign up is very easy. Just your email, email address, your name. Make sure you use your real name, okay? Because you're going to be verifying this your account. The name you're going to be using on this broker, you're going to be able to verify it, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you all that in the course of the video, okay? So when you sign up, then you can get to the website. This is how the website is going to look like when you go after you must have signed up. This is how the interface is going to look like, okay? The interface you can see is very, very easy to navigate, okay? Now, where are we going to? Where we're going to is this place where it says competition, okay? Now, before we go there, let me quickly show you something here. You see, on this particular website, you're going to be withdrawing any amount of money you're going to be making, okay? You'll be able to withdraw your fund. So if you check here, you can see win withdrawable cash prizes, right? No entry fee required, test your skill and all that. So be rest assured that you'll be able to withdraw whatever you're going to be making from this competition, okay? So here is the competition, and here you can see we have rail here. Then we also have demo here, right? Then you can see Hall of Fame, then you can see leaderboard, okay? Now, quickly, let's get started with the rail. Okay, you can see this is the rail. On this particular, remember I told you for you to enter into this rail, you need at least $100, okay, deposited into your Forex account. Okay, so then you'll be able to participate in this one. Now let me show you the prize money for this particular one. If you're going to be going with the rail, you can see you can earn up to $15,000 if you are going to go with the rail. Now the beauty of the rail is that the prize money is higher compared to the demo account. Okay, you can see 15,000. The first person is going to be getting $15,000. The second person is going to be getting $7,500. The third person is going to get $5,000 up to the 100 person, okay, is going to get $100. So 100 persons are going to be getting prize money from this competition. Okay, so that is that for the demo account. Now remember, for you to win this money, what they actually look at is the equity. Okay, the higher your equity, the better it is for you. That means that you're going to come top. Okay, now my major focus and the focus of a whole lot of people that I believe is going to be on the demo, because on this demo you don't really need to pay anything. Okay, it's completely risk free. Okay, you are not putting any money for investment. Okay, so here you're going to be seeing that this particular one, let me quickly show you the prize money. Okay, you see the whoever that is going to come first is going to get $1,500. Whoever is going to come second is going to get $1,000, and whoever is going to come third is going to get $750,000. Okay, then you can see from the fourth place to the 50th place, okay, you're going to get $50. Okay, you can see from the fourth place you're going to get 500, fifth place 300. Then I think you can see then $100, then $50 is going to be from the 38th place to the 50th place. This is a very good way to just make money without you putting any fund, without investment. Okay, like I rightly told you, is either you have knowledge of how to trade forex, then you can come into this competition. And if you don't have knowledge how to trade the FX market, then you can use EA, expert advice. So if you have one, you can use it to trade. It's allowed. Okay, you can use that to also trade here. Okay, so now let me show you how the competition. Let me, for some persons that might actually have some reservation, let me show you. Let me go to this ended one. Let me show you some of the ones that have ended and people that actually won. Okay, so you can see this one started from the 22nd of October to the 29th of October. This one started from 15th of October to the 7th of October. I can see the prize money for this particular one is $10,000. Okay, now $10,000 and 7,939 people actually entered into this competition, right? I can see the money that people actually won. Now, remember, I told you earlier, for you to be qualified for this competition, you need to make sure that you verify your account. Please make sure your account is verified. Yes, you'll not be able to withdraw your money. It's a normal thing. Just use any of your international acceptable ID to verify your account, and you are good to go. Right? It's just as simple as that. Okay. So you can see here the different people that actually won. Okay, so now we're going to look at, you can see this particular one is actually in progress already. This one just started this very day that I'm making this video, which is 29th, and it's going to end on the 5th of October. Okay, now let's see the upcoming one that you can enter as at the time of watching this video. That one is going to be starting from 6 days from the time I'm making this video, which is going to be from the 5th of November to the 12th of November. Okay, so you can as well just coming after you sign up. It's going to show you the button where you can just click on sign up and you'll join the competition, and you'll be able to join the competition. Now, for the competition, for the demo account that is completely risk-free, they're going to be giving everybody that is going to be joining the demo account $1,000 capital for the competition. Okay, so the higher your equity, okay, then you're going to come top. Okay, let's assume we have three persons. One person's equity is $15,000 out of the $1,000. Another person's equity is $8,000 out of the $1,000. Another person's equity is $2,000 out of the $1,000. So you can see the 15,000 is going to come top, the 8,000 is going to come second, then the 2,000 is going to come third. That is how it is. Like I rightly said, the higher your equity, the chances of you being the top of the ladder. Okay, so just make sure you keep to the rules. The rules, and the rule is just quite, it's just two. Make sure your equity is higher for you to be top, and also make sure you don't lose more than 20% of the $1,000 that is going to be given to you. If you lose more than 20% of that $1,000, then automatically they are going to cut you out of the contest. Okay, that is how Excel competition actually works. Okay, it's completely risk-free. You are not spending anything, so you can just come into this competition and give it a try and see how far you can go. Hopefully, you'll be able to make money from this. Okay, a whole lot of people are making money from this, and I don't see any exception why you shouldn't be able to make money from this. Okay, and you can see here the leaderboard, and you can see the Hall of Fame. If you do well, then they're going to put you amongst the Hall of Fame. Okay, these are people that are doing well. You can see most of those guys have made money here. This particular person, this one has made over $50,000 from this competition. This one, this guy here has made over $40,000 from this competition. Okay, so that is all I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video. XM competition is real and is paying. People are making money from it. Okay, so do yourself a favor and click the link in the description of this video and be able to sign up for this competition. Okay. All right, guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please remember you have to subscribe to this channel, okay? And also please give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye.